When life knocks you off your feet, how do you get back up? For Mission Lane card member Randy, it's with a whiteboard. One that lists out his financial goals and projects. This whiteboard is what helped Randy recover financially when one of his family members was diagnosed with a serious illness and he was forced to declare bankruptcy after acquiring more than $100,000 in medical debt. But to Randy, the decision was simple. We asked ourselves, do we want to take a hit with our finances, or do we want to save our family member's life? That's an easy choice. Building their credit back after bankruptcy was no walk in the park. But Randy believed, as long as the foundation is firm, you can rebuild the house. Once his family member began to recover, Randy was ready to rebuild on top of the firm foundation he had built, with the help of his whiteboard, of course. Just 3 years after declaring bankruptcy, Randy's credit score is back in the 700s, and he's prepared for whatever life throws at him next. Randy developed 4 tips along the way that helped him build his life back one step at a time. Tip 1. Start with small, attainable goals. If there's no way a goal can get done in 5 years, it probably isn't a good goal for you. Tip 2. Once you've achieved a goal, don't lose your momentum and fall into financial headlock. If you've paid off your credit cards, for example, keep setting aside that same amount into a savings account. Tip 3. Trade off paying bills with your partner. It makes a huge difference when you can see exactly where your money is going. Tip 4. Be kind to yourself and acknowledge that you can't prepare for everything. In Randy's words, being somewhat prepared is way better than not being prepared at all. When it comes to financial stresses, you're not alone. For more financial tips and encouragement, visit missionlane.com/articles.